Philippines, Mr. Markwin Lopez and Miss Jonalyn Lopez. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Sobrang nakaka-excite, nakakatuwa kasi this is my first time na sumakay sa limousine. Hindi ko maipaliwanag yung nararamdaman ko. Isa sa mga pangarap ko yun, ma'am. And thank you, Dr. Lim. And let's celebrate the 30th DXN anniversary.
Thank you, Miss Jonalyn. So, Sir Markwin, how many PSI qualifiers you are with your group right now?
So I believe we have a 45 TSI qualifier in my group, and I'm very overwhelmed what's happening right now, and I can't believe is this like a dream come true to everyone, because it's my first time to ride in limousine, and I know you're very excited and to witness our newly promoted Crown Ambassador. Then congratulations all of you for coming here, and we will give you the best motivation, inspiration to all of you. See you guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Once again, our Crown Ambassador from Philippines, Miss Jonalyn Lopez and Markwin Lopez.